How to locate letters that have been previously generated. In order for you to locate letters that you've generated already in the software, you'll go ahead and click in the work area. So let's go ahead and click this tab here. Next on the screen, you will see a list of names here. These are the letters or clients generated letters that you've generated prior to today. So simply click on the client's name, and every letter that you've ever generated within the software is going to appear here on the screen. Now, if you need to download these documents again to your device, you can go ahead and click here, or you can click this tab here. Now, say for example, during your process of generating letters, you decided after you want to send your letters out to the PAMS member, which is to print and mail out for you. You will click here, this tab, complete all the required information here, select one of the PAMS members, and click Send to PAMS. Now keep in mind, within 24 hours, you should be receiving an invoice to make payment for your letters to be printed and mailed out for you.